Good afternoon. I'm Eric Santana from Bella's Aquatic Gardens. We're here today in Aventura, one of our recent projects that we just completed. Top, we have a 24-inch spillway. Water cascades from there, fills up the top pool, and then it fills down, it fills up the first pool, cascades to the second pool, then it goes to our third pool. In our third pool, we have a pondless water feature kind of built into there, where we have our submersible pump and our autofill submerged under the rocks. So this is a unique feature, being that it's a very small space. We had a couple of challenges. You know, the client wanted water in the back, he wanted water going down the stairs. So it's very tricky trying to get the water to move the way you want it. But we were able to come up with this magnificent design of several pools and a sheer descent in the back. As you can see with this project right here, no project is too small or too big for us. We can bring any space to life, whether it be a small entryway or a large farm out in the Redlands. Don't hesitate to check us out online at bellasaquaticgardens.com. I'm Eric Santana, the Pond Pirate. Check us out on the next one.